Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joice Hair. Today's video, we're gonna talk about the Genius Weft. In the previous video, I have compared the Genius Weft with the hand-tied weft as well as the machine weft. We have told you the advantage of this product because it is as thin and lightweight as the hand-tied weft, but also it does not have retained hair and it can be caught, so this has a big advantage over the hand-tied weft, so that is why it is taking more market. But Genius Weft, if it doesn't process properly, there could be a problem as well. So the Genius Weft is actually having the pure glue here, so sometimes if the glue is not applied properly, after a few months, after some times, the glue will actually peel off and you will facing the shedding problem. Actually, for hand-tied the weft, usually you will not face this problem, but Genius Weft, if it does not process properly, it could be this kind of problem. At the very beginning, when we test this product, so we have found this issue as well. So that we improved our glue and improved our technology so that this can be used as long as possible. You can use it for a longer time. But in the daily use, you have also need to take care of this product as well, because as I said, this has a glue here. So when you bleach your hair, or sometimes you want to color bleach your hair, make sure that you do not apply those kind of chemicals in this area, otherwise it can hurt this glue and causing the shedding problems. Otherwise it is a perfect product, and I'm sure that if in the future technology will improve more and more and you will get a better weft as well. So now, as I said, we have a better glue and better technology so that this kind of glue can be used for a longer time. So if you have used the Genius Weft and you find it is not good, you can test our Genius Weft. And if you're looking for a supplier for Genius Weft, and make sure contact us and try our samples. We can supply all type of different type hair quality, different type of price range, colors. We can customize all different type of colors and textures. If you are looking for a hair vendor, make sure contact us. Thank you. Have a good day.